Okay guys, now here is how you regenerate a EcoWater water softener, the ECR or the ERR series. You can look on here, we have a digital screen. All you have to do is press the circle button in the middle. You press, it says recharge, it's already highlighted because obviously this is a very common thing that you need to do. Again, this is in the event that you ran out of salt and now you feel like, oh, I've had all this hard water. Let's make sure that the unit doesn't need work and just needed some salt. All you need to do is press recharge now, press the down arrow button, press the circle button again. It's going to go start to recharge. So you can hear the motor going, and what it's going to do now is it's going to take water from the water supply, and we're going to put it inside this salt tank here. So what's great about the ERR or the EcoWater ECR water softeners is that they have what's called exact salt dosing. So it's one of the most advanced water softeners, if not, it is the most advanced water softener on the market. So right now, because the unit is not completely exhausted, it's only going to take a little bit of water to melt some salt to regenerate only the amount of filter material it needs. So let's pretend that on average it takes it can filter 1,200 gallons of water. Well, right now it only used 600 gallons of water. So instead of using 10 pounds of salt, like every other water softener, this water softener, the top line EcoWater units, they're only going to put enough water in there to obtain 5 pounds of salt, thus saving homeowners a lot of headaches with delivering salt and buying salt and actually wasting salt. So that's one of the things that makes these units so spectacular. Again, if you've had problems where you had dry, itchy skin, you had to use a lot of shampoo, you needed to use a lot of soap, those are reasons why sometimes you might try recharging the water softener before you call us for service. If you ran out of salt, this is the perfect thing to do. This way it starts to get the unit up and going. If you have any further questions, give us a call at Angel Water, 847-382-7800, or visit us at angelwater.com.